The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Callaway County, Kentucky, southeastern Marshall County, Kentucky, southwestern Trigg County, Kentucky, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles south of Turkey Bay. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Callaway County, Kentucky, southeastern Marshall County, Kentucky, southwestern Trigg County, Kentucky, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles south of Turkey Bay, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near land between the lakes area, Turkey Bay, and Golden Pond Visitor Center around 12:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Aurora. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Callaway, Marshall, and Trigg.